and take a look at how to replace the brake pads in this car. Right here, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this guide pin. This is a 410mm, so we're going to remove that. And you don't want to remove the upper one, we're not going to do that. But before we take these all apart, use a flat head screwdriver, insert it here, and push on the piston in so you can make space for the new brake pads. You just hold that under pressure for about 2 minutes, and that will push the piston all in. Now we can remove this guide pin, put that to the side. Now what we'll do is we'll just simply lift this up. Slide this out right here. So now we have the old brake pads. Use a screwdriver to just remove them. Remove the inner. If you pay attention, the wear indicator is right up here. We still have some life left on these pads, but we're replacing them anyway. And then you have these shims right here. You're going to remove them and clean them, or if you got new ones, simply replace them. So here we have the new brake pad. So this is going on the inside. We're going to install the wear indicator. So we'll apply a little bit of grease there and there, and a little bit of anti-seize grease on the piston here. It's the surface that's going to make contact with the back of the pad. Now we'll install this, we'll press down, and so that's good. Ahead and install the bottom one. There, we'll squeeze them together. We go ahead, lower that. Be careful with this rubber right here. I'm gonna apply a little bit of grease on the guide pin right here. Insert that. As you can see, it's a little bit tricky to guide it through this gasket right here. But once you do that, what you have to do is go ahead and tighten this and then torque it to spec. Now that's tight. About a quarter turn right there. If it's the first time you're doing this, you want to torque that according to specifications. We'll insert this here, and that's it.